Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the LD Electric conversion. Now this is for the D and LD Mark 1, 2 and 3. So that was made between a very end of 51 to 58 in Italy, and it actually got extended into 62 in South America and Spain. With all our conversion kits, they are a reversible process. So this is a bolt-in kit. And what you can see here is the swinging arm, 4 kilowatt hub motor, which is on all of our kits. Here we have our new extra large battery. This is 72 volt, 50 amp hours, which will do about 55 miles in range. And on top here, where the old petrol tank was, is our new control box. And I've actually done a molded shape like the old petrol tank was. So that's basically it. Now you can see here, we've added a rear suspension on this kit. So you have twin shock absorbers. Now these are pretty standard issue. These are 280 millimeters, 28 centimeters. And these are a standard issue shock that we give you. And there's a lot of these available on the internet if you wanted to upgrade them to something a bit better. So new shock absorbers on the rear. And of course, all our electric conversions are disc brakes. So this is a semi-hydraulic, still works off the cable, semi-hydraulic rear disc brake. So improved suspension and improved braking. And of course, one of the really nice things is the speed and acceleration. It can do up to 60 miles an hour, and the acceleration, well, it's as fast as any LD you'll ever see go. So I'll just give you a little indication on the battery. This is our new battery. I designed it for LDs, and it's quite a large one, and it'll fit the Mark, you know, look at that. That is going to fit all the LDs and Ds, but also the LI series and TV, SXGP. All the Lambrettas can have this battery in it, and it's a nice big 55-mile range battery. But there you have it. The LD kit, that's all 6 versions of Vespa and Lambretta covered now by our electric kits. Thank you.